4 potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Cut the potatoes. Pour water on the potatoes. Clean the potatoes. Now put the chopped potatoes on the pan. Pour water on the potatoes again. Add lid. Wait for 15 minutes. Now the potatoes are boiled. Put the potatoes on the bowl. Mash the potatoes. Chop green and yellow chili. Slice mozzarella cheese. Cut red onion.
Add chopped red onion on the mashed potatoes.
Add chopped coriander leaves. Add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Add mixed herbs. Mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Add 1 cracked egg. Mix well. Add breadcrumbs. Cracked eggs. Mix well. Put breadcrumbs. Pour oil on the pan. Add the potatoes balls. Fried mashed potato balls.